Go get some raindrops on your tongue. Go out in the rain and put your tongue out and get some raindrops on it. You can do it. There you go. Okay, put your tongue out. Get some raindrops. There you go. Good girl. That's right. Are the raindrops getting you? Raindrops getting you? Yay, we're having a little summer storm. It's so nice and cool. Sammie's always searching for bugs. Did you get one? You got a bug? What is it? Let me see. Let's see. Ew! Ew, don't throw it on Mommy. I don't want you dead bugs. Hey, where'd the mommy birdie go? Huh? Where's the mommy birdie? That's a camera. Mommy's taking a video of you. Where's the mama birdie? No, mama birdie. Is she in the nest? Where's the nest? There? There she goes. She just went in there to feed her babies. There she went. Are there little baby birdies in there? Get out of there. Alright, the rain's over. Darn it. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.